OUMOSI.
Hello everyone, today I will review the cigar lighter. Unlike traditional electric arc lighter, which is limited by a narrow Teslic oil and can only light standard cigarettes, this Cigar's updated arc plasma beam lighter with specially designed lid is available to ignite not only normal cigarettes, but also cigars. The heavy-duty body design and exquisite craft gives you more pleasure when you have fun with cigarettes and cigars. 1. Button light design. The beautiful blue LED circle light will turn on when the lid opens, which makes the lighter more convenient to use in the dark. 2. Plasma torch technology, uses Star Wars-like plasma wave technology to create a plasma wave hotter than fire. It can do anything a traditional butane lighter does and also performs well in windy and rainy days. 3. USB rechargeable, simply uses a USB cord to charge it. A full charge takes 1-2 hours and will last more than 3 hours of uses. You also get a lifetime guarantee with each purchase from Cigar's. If Cigar's lighter fails you at any time, simply return it for a full refund. 4. Butane free, no more harmful butane. Studies show that butane can be harmful to humans. Cigar's arc lighter uses plasma tech to eliminate the need for this harmful chemical. It's better for you. 5. Windproof, splashproof and TSA approved. It is flameless, so it is unaffected by wind or water. Use it under any conditions, rainy or shiny. Since it doesn't contain any dangerous fuel, it's also airport safe. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Enjoy watching. Bye.